Hey Earthbites gang! So today I'm going to show you how to make a watering can out of reused items. We're going to use one of these old pop bottles. This one's from our ginger ale that we were making at the schools. And we're going to turn this into a watering can. So what you're going to need is an old bottle of some kind. You're going to need a nail, a hammer, and a piece of wood. You're also going to want your parents to help you out with this one, okay? We're going to start with the lid of the bottle, and we're going to flip it over so it's upside down, so the top of the lid is on our piece of wood. We're going to hammer about 7 holes in here. See, the nail doesn't always go all the way through, and you don't want to hammer too far into the wood or you won't get the nail out. So once you pop it in a bit, just push the nail through. It's a little hard. Make sure you got a nice big nail too, because that'll make a nice big hole. The smaller the nail you have, the more holes you have to make. And because I have a bigger nail here, that's why we're only going to make 7. If you've got a smaller nail, make more holes. You'll notice that you've got a bunch of plastic that's poked through, and that's the reason why we made sure to start with the lid upside down, because if those were all poked in on the inside, it would actually affect how much water you can get coming out. So this way, it actually turns it into a spray. So that's why I said to do it like that. Last thing you need to do before we get ready to test them out is you can cut off the label. And now you can decorate your bottle. Make sure you find some nice markers that aren't washable, like Sharpie markers or something like that, because this thing's going to get wet.